Welcome to another exciting episode of Gains and Blockchains, the only channel dedicated to keeping you informed and up to date with everything in the crypto space. Hi, my name is Ace, and in today's episode, I'm going to tell you why you should start accumulating these top three coins for 2024. Check it out. Okay, so these top three coins we're going to jump into would have to be MATIC, CRO, and XRP. These top three coins in any portfolio is going to perform substantially well. And it's a sure bet if you ask me. Let's start with MATIC. MATIC is a layer 2 scaling solution blockchain backed by Binance and Coinbase. And it poses to solve the problem of scalability on many different blockchains out there. And that's a really big thing. Because if you look at the chart for MATIC in the last bull run, you'll see that it did substantially well. Take a look. As you can see, MATIC outperformed a lot of other coins. And right now, if you were to buy MATIC at the current $1.99 range, you're looking at an easy 3x from here, right? That's substantial gains, guys. I mean, we're not going to talk about degen gains like 100x, 50x. We're talking about realistic gains. We're talking about substantial gains. We're talking about, gains that is actually feasible. Like, is MATIC going to go a lot higher than $3? Absolutely, in my opinion. I could put MATIC at an easy $5 a coin. But I like to really shoot nice and conservative. I want to stay really conservative and just go back to where we were in the last bull market. So from these prices, if you start accumulating right now, that's an easy 3x of your money. On this channel, we aim to eliminate any fear and educate you in the constantly evolving, highly intimidating space we call crypto. So take a second, hit the subscribe button, smash up the likes, and let me help you get all the money. All right, CRO. CRO is the native token of the Cronos chain, a decentralized open source blockchain developed by Crypto.com. And Crypto.com is one of the best platforms to onboard your fiat into crypto, in my point of view, in my opinion. I think Crypto.com is the leader, and it has the biggest regulatory clarity in the entire crypto space. That's huge, right? When we look at stuff like Binance, being sued and all these allegations against Binance and the CEO, CZ, getting arrested and looking at jail time. I mean, this is not good for your investment. You want to look at a company that's actually the forefront, that's actually the leader of regulatory clarity and making these regulators happy. If you don't make the regulators happy, it's just, it's a no-brainer. It's going to be a really, really tough uphill battle for you. So CRO is a definite buy-in for me. And if you look at this chart, you can see that in the last bull market, like, look at the numbers here. Look at this chart, guys, right? So even if you were to come in right now and buy CRO at a whopping 10 cents, 96 cents is the last all-time high, right? So if you want to predict future performance, just look at the past. And I definitely know we're going to go way beyond 96 cents. On my last prediction video earlier on in my on the page, you can see that my prediction for CRO is an easy $2.50 per coin. So coming in here at literally 10 cents and you're accumulating right now, right at these prices at 10 cents, you're looking at an easy 10x from here. That's a 10x on your money. So it's nothing to joke about. This is serious, confident cash earning, right? So take a look at that and see, where else can you turn your money 10x from where it's sitting right now? Where else can you find this kind of power? It's only in crypto. Ripple, designed by the XRP ledger to accelerate cross-border transactions with banks and traditional financial institutions in mind. What does that mean? That means that the banks have already decided to use Ripple and their borderless transactional systems. Like, this is huge. This is a big play for the Ripple team. And not only that, guys, Ripple and Bitcoin are the only two assets in crypto, the only two assets that have been deemed by the SEC not a security. Just that alone, it's insane. So you don't ever have to worry about regulatory clarity again coming into the space and attacking Ripple. They are the only ones that were able to beat the SEC at their own game after a 3-year grueling battle in court. And now coming out on top with the title, not a security. That's huge, right? So Ripple will always be my big bag, and I'm very bullish on Ripple. And I think they're going to do an extremely productive show for us in 2024. So take a look at this chart. Like if you see on this chart here, Ripple coming in at a whopping 68 cents, right? I mean, is this a joke? A coin like that will definitely outperform any other coin. I think Ripple will outperform every single other coin in the market. I'm talking about Solana, I'm talking about Bitcoin, I'm talking about ETH. Ripple will outperform every coin in this upcoming bull market. So it's nothing to sleep on. I would advise anybody that's actually looking to be advantageous in the space and get ahead in the crypto space to get in and grab as much Ripple as you can, right? That's just my opinion. That's what I did. And that's what I'm continuing to do at these prices. So if you take a look at this chart, and you can see that if you were to buy Ripple right now at 68 cents, it's hovering between 68 cents and 50 cents. But right now we're sitting at 68 cents. Any one of those buys, whether it's at 58 cents, 60 cents, 68 cents, anything under a dollar, I think, in my opinion, is great. But if you could grab up Ripple at 68 cents, that is a 5.5x from where we are right now, right back to the all-time high at about $3.50. That's huge. And I think Ripple is going to $10. I mean, the $3, this is just a very conservative. I like to keep things very conservative and undershoot it. So when we get these big hits, that I can feel really good about myself. But I know for sure if I'm putting in any kind of cash into Ripple right now, that's a guaranteed 5x on my dollar, right? So again, these three coins, guys, if you're interested in really looking into a safe haven in crypto and actually coming in and utilizing the crypto technology in an advantageous way to actually benefit you, extrapolate the data. Take my information. Don't just take it and run. Take it, do some of your own research and compile it and see that I know a little bit of what I'm saying, right? All right, that's it for today's episode. I'll see you in the next one. But in the meantime, take control of your financial future. Not now, but right now. It's your boy Ace signing out. Stay well and be cool.